What Do You Wish For? Written by Jane Godwin, illustrated by Anna Walker. Christmas always made Ruby feel excited. There was so much to look forward to. Every year, there was a Christmas party in the park at the end of the street. Ruby and her friends put on a show with songs and costumes and real curtains, but first each of them wrote a Christmas wish to hang on the tree. I wish for a puppy, from Huey. I wish for a skateboard, from Ivy. I wish for 100 lollipops, the big swirly ones, from Maisie. I wish my Lego would come alive, from Jack. I wish I could go camping on the holidays, from Amy. I wish for a basketball, from Tom. I wish a lost cat would come to our doorstep, from Cassie. I wish my teacher would get married and we'd all go to the wedding, from Claire. I wish I could meet one of Santa's reindeers, from Lily. Ruby knew that deep inside her was a Christmas wish, but it felt too big to write down on a small piece of paper. The more she thought about Christmas, the more Ruby felt as if her whole self was filling up with a feeling of wishing. But what was Ruby's wish? What did she want at Christmas time? Ruby thought about all the things that made Christmas special. It was when Dad came home from work when it was still light outside, and when Ruby and her friends in the street made plans for their Christmas show, and when baby Fred smiled as she showed him the tinsel for the tree. It was the smell of baking. And when they stayed out till dark. It was waking up on Christmas morning and unwrapping presents, and one might be a surprise that Ruby would never have thought of. It was everyone together on Christmas Day. It was when Ruby's auntie came from far away and brought her special treasures. It was holidays and swimming in the sea. Ruby was thinking about Christmas so completely, she hardly heard her friends calling. Come on, Ruby, hurry up with your wish. It's time to do our show. Ruby looked around her at the Christmas that came to her street every year. And suddenly she knew that right now was part of her wish, too. After the show, everyone was going home. It's getting late, said Mum. Have you written down your wish? Ruby looked up and the whole world was sparkling. She heard the paper wishes rustle in the warm nighttime breeze. And she whispered, I wish for Christmas to always feel like this. What do you wish for?